Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the GameSir Nova Lite Controller. It's been making waves for being a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This little guy promises a lot for its price tag, boasting features that might surprise you. Stick around to find out if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk design. The Nova Lite doesn't aim to dazzle with flashy features but focuses on practicality. It's lightweight with textured grips that feel surprisingly good in the hand. The build quality is solid, considering its price point, and it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. Now, onto the features. This controller supports both wireless and wired connections, which is a plus. It's compatible not only with PCs but also with Nintendo Switch and mobile devices. One standout feature is the Hall effect thumbsticks, which prevent stick drift, a common issue in budget controllers. It's a thoughtful addition that extends the lifespan of the controller. Performance-wise, the Nova Lite holds its ground. I tested it extensively across PC games and Nintendo Switch titles. It handles well with responsive controls and decent button feedback. The function button, located conveniently between the D-pad and analog stick, allows for some neat customization options, like adjusting vibration intensity and dead zones. So, should you buy the GameSir Nova Lite? If you're looking for an affordable controller that gets the job done without bells and whistles, absolutely. It's ideal for casual gaming and won't break the bank. However, if you crave more features or longer battery life, you might want to explore higher-end options like the GameSir T4 Collide. That wraps up our review of the GameSir Nova Lite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.